This is astronaut Mike Hopkins from the Countermeasures Training Room at NASA JSC. And today I'm going to talk to you about the crown jewel of our countermeasures devices up on orbit, and that's the ARED, which is the Advanced Resistive Exercise Device. And this is ARED, and this is what we use to help counteract the effects of losing muscle mass and also bone loss, one of our primary tools. And so actually it looks a little bit different than your squat rack that you might have in your local gym. But it has some of the same functions in the sense that we do squats on this, we can do deadlifts, bench press, shoulder press, things of that nature. And it's very effective for us, and it's really been very helpful for increasing our fitness when we actually return back to Earth. So how does it work? Well, we actually have two canisters here that have vacuum in them, and so we pull against that vacuum, and we can just dial in different loads with the handle right here, and we can change how much weight we're lifting. Now, I'm going to give you a little bit of a demo here with the squat. And so some of the first things we have to do is make sure this bar is at the right height for each individual. And so in this case, I'm going to need to rotate the handles. And so each one can be rotated individually. And then after that, there's numbers along the side here. And so for each of our lifts, this is some of the stuff we do here on the ground, is we figure out what the right setting is for each of us. And so I now have it set up, and this is the plate that we have up in orbit. This black platform that you see me standing on isn't actually there on orbit. So then I would dial in the right load. I can step in. And now we do a squat. Once we're done, we rack it, and we can float back, and that's how we use ARED. And so again, it's been great training on it, but I'm definitely ready to use this up on orbit. Thanks.